We're curious about your hearing health. Join me while I bring my parents to get their hearing assessment. Otoscopy and consultation will be done by an experienced audiologist, followed by a comprehensive hearing test. It is conducted by playing sounds and push the button if they hear it. Amazed at how technology helps us assess and improve our hearing ability. The audiologist then introduce personalized hearing solution plan best fit your current situation. Unitron from Canada with over 60 years of expertise. She'd also shared with us the new Unitron hearing aid, which is small and simple to put on. Regular checkups can detect any issues early and prevent damages. Sign up for complimentary hearing test today and get a hearing aid trial for up to 20 days.